Hey there, friend. Today we're checking out the ESR magnetic charging pad, a sleek, minimal solution designed to make wireless charging effortless. With strong magnetic alignment, fast charge speeds, and a slim profile that blends right into your desk, nightstand, or any other setup, this pad promises to keep your device powered without the fuss of cables. And the best part, if you decide it's right for you, I've got a discount code for 20% off in the ESR Global Store. Let's unbox it, test it out, and see if it's really worth adding to your everyday setup. Hey guys, check this out. We got the magnetic charging pad from ESR. It's got the Qi 2 charging at 15 watts with the nice MagSafe lock on it. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. We've just got Old Faithful, but everybody needs to charge it up, get ready for the day. So let's see what ESR has sent to us today. Thanks again to them for sending this over. This was a surprise in the last package that they sent. And I can tell you that their products are some of my very favorite. They're very high quality. They are award winning. This here is as straightforward and as simple as it looks. That's all you need in the box. Just a charger. They got it nice and clean. We get that peel. Woo, baby. Before I get my grimy fingers all over it, that is looking mighty fine. Wow, that is beautiful. I really love how ESR takes such close attention to the design, to the build quality of their devices. For example, this little built-in cable management strap, they didn't have to do that. They could have gone the cheap and easy route, but no, they make sure that you've got a high quality and compatible device. Of course, you got USB-C here, you've got the charger, and I'm definitely looking forward to using this. And I love the feeling of this actual charger. It's very solid feeling, and you've got this flexible cord, which I think is going to really prevent from it getting damaged here at the connection point, because you know how cables can sometimes break down, but this cable, nice braided material, lovely, feels like a kind of substantial device. And this is long. Like, I was worried that I might not be able to, use it in many cases, but what I'm hoping to do is kind of keep it on my desk, sort of just over here where I've got my other cables coming out. I'd like to be able to charge my phone down here. So I'm going to give it a test, see how it works, and I'm going to let you know. All right, so just a quick test. I'm using my iPhone right now for recording. So I've also got my AirPod Pro 2, soon to upgrade to the 3s. But I got this awesome ESR Flick Lock case, which of course is MagSafe compatible. And in the last video, I didn't even realize that I had a charging case. But as you can see, makes that connection right away. And I mean, I don't know how to demonstrate to you how strong this really is, but I can twirl this thing around. I can do, oh, there, I got it off with a strong shake, but the magnet is strong, the charging is instant, and I think this is already exactly what I'm looking for. Perfect little addition for your desk, maybe at work, maybe at school, in your home office, but this is really, really cool, and I'm looking forward to incorporating the Qi 2 desk charger, this magnetic charging pad, into my everyday. I think a great place to use this is on the bedside, where you can just sort of put it down. You can put your phone, you can put your AirPods or any other MagSafe device. You don't have to worry about fumbling around and plugging in the cable. With that USB-C, you could plug it into a block, or you can just plug it into sort of a multi-purpose charger like I've got here, and it works a charm. And I think this is so slick, and you can just put it away. It doesn't take up much space at all. Gets the job done. You don't have to fumble around with it if you need to use your phone in the middle of the night, or if you're quickly getting up and getting ready to go. And I just want to share with you this helpful little chart to give you an idea how long it's going to take to charge some of the more popular phones and the new AirPod Pro 3 case based on some estimates from Apple's information. Just with this cool wireless charging pad, which I think is going to be very, very helpful, simple, straightforward, and gets the job done.
If you love how simple and effective this ESR magnetic charging pad looks, from its MagSafe snap-on connection to its smooth, reliable charging, let me know in the comments if you'd use it at your desk, bedside, or on the go. I read them all, and I'll even respond. And don't forget, you can grab one for yourself with my discount code TESTZONE20 for 20% off in the ESR store. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss more honest and hands-on tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching.